Hey guys, on today's video I will be flying my DJI drone for the first time in Maui at olenalena Beach on the Kihei side of the island. If at any point during this video I mispronounce olenalena, please, no disrespect intended, just a tough one for me to pronounce. I sure hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hey guys, so this is Po'olena Beach over on the Kihei side of Maui, and came out here early this morning. Got some good drone footage, which hopefully you guys will enjoy, and I'll walk you around and show you a little bit of the beach right now. It's a beautiful beach, not super crowded. So really peaceful, beautiful way to spend the morning. Molokini's right off of the shoreline, which is cool. All right, so there's Molokini off the shore a ways. And this is what the coastline here at Po'olena Beach looks like. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Really nice beach, not super crowded. There's the West Maui Hills over there. We're gonna be heading back that way here in just a little bit. All right, here's the view from the other side of the beach. There's the parking lot right there. Beach goes all the way down to where we were. Very, very pretty. So nice big parking area in the beach, which is nice. So that was Po'olena Beach. Hope you enjoyed the video. Not a horrible drive back from the beach this morning either. Just beautiful. Flying drones is something I'm quickly becoming hooked on, but flying them in Maui takes it to a whole nother level. And I have to tell you guys, I was a little nervous about bringing my drone with me on the trip for a number of reasons. You know, I'd never been through airport security with a drone. Also, flying a drone in general, if you make a mistake, it can be costly, but if you make a mistake out over the ocean, you're never gonna see your drone again. So it can be quite anxiety producing for me to do it. But man, the 4K footage that DJI drone produced from flying in Maui, just amazing. And at Po'olena Beach, it was right at sunrise. I tried to go early so I wasn't disrupting too many people by being that annoying drone dude that I don't want to be. But the footage was just amazing. I sure hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave your comments below on this video or on other ways you're spending your bucket days. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram and TikTok. And please take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching and take care.